Green right kutoka kwa my cardiologist.
Pasimu. Ukisema mkuje 8 weeks from today for your second dose.
I would like to say that we received around 27,000 vaccines for Nakuru County, and initially it was meant for healthcare workers, the police officers and the teachers. And we started the exercise on 8th with 21 facilities that were vaccinating, but the uptake was a bit low. But after it was opened up for 58-year-olds and above, we started seeing an upsurge in number of uptake for those who wanted to be vaccinated. And what I can say currently is that we've added another 34 facilities open to vaccinate wananchi from Nakuru County, and we've trained almost 200 healthcare workers to vaccinate. And as we talk, as per today, we have vaccinated over 10,000 Kenyans in Nakuru County. In sub-counties, what we had allocated, they have already exhausted, but we have replenished them for what we had. What I can say, our store here in Kemsa, where the 27 vaccines were stored, we have distributed all of them to all our sub-counties for them to be used to vaccinate people or the citizens of Nakuru County.